we will experiment. We will find out where is dissolved and not dissolved in the water. First one from milk. If you want to see is this milk, okay. Now this. Water is changed color. Now become white. This means the milk is dissolved in the water. Now the next is flour. Here's milk. Are you ready? Okay. I will with my jutsu. I feel like rolling. A little bit fast because I'm so bored. I'm slow. Oh, it's a little bit like milk. Guys, look! The color changed to become white. This means the flour in water. Now the next is coffee. Now let's pour everything with my jutsu. It's a little bit hard. After this, I will drink the milk. I use my dad coffee because there's no another coffee. Sorry that I need to use. Oh no! Okay, this is. I will wash this first. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys, look. The color change become black. This means the coffee is dissolved in the water. Let's drink. No, done. The next is rice. I think I will cook this water. I will use another because another is it's a little bit white. Guys, look, we still can see the rice. This means the rice is not dissolved in the water. Okay. The next is talcum powder. Now let's pour it. This is from my little baby. Yeah. Oh no, my talcum powder. Okay, I still use this. Okay, I think I feel bad with this. Why? What? Ah, please! Don't like this. I will turn. Oh! I think enough. Enough? Okay. Guys, look! The talcum powder is underwater. This means the talcum powder is not dissolved in the water. The next is salt. Okay, good. Okay, then. It's salt. Yeah. No. Guys, look at the. Oh my God. In my table. No. I forgot that. Yeah. Sorry. the next is oil. Okay. There's nice. Okay. Skip this. Look, guys. The oil is on the water. This means the oil is not dissolved in the water. Now, the next is baking soda. Okay, let's pouring. I don't know what that's baking soda. I think it's so dangerous if we put it in the soda that will bomb in our face. We will fly and never back again. I think it's not okay. I think that no, it's the dirty little bit. Okay, fine. There's water. Guys, look, we can see the baking soda. This means the baking soda is dissolved in the water. Now, do you see? We can count where is dissolved. The dissolved is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 dissolved. There's milk, flour, coffee, salt, and baking soda. Oh, sorry. And the not dissolved is 1, 2, 3. There's 3. It is rice, talcum powder, and oil. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back with Livia. I'm 7 years old. I'm from class 2 Maria. Today we will learn science. We will experiment. The solid.
Today we will
try experiment. Today
we
we will to